In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to batch edit photos in Lightroom Classic. To edit multiple photos at the same time in Lightroom Classic, the first thing you need to do is to select the first photo over here and hold down Shift and move to the last photo you want to batch edit and select it, and you will notice that Lightroom Classic has highlighted all the photos in between. But what if you want to randomly select photos? What you need to do is to select the first photo. I'm going to unselect all of these. Select the first photo over here and hold down Control and select the other photos you want to batch edit. Next, come over to this tab over here and select this icon here that says Auto Sync. Right now it is already activated, but if it's not activated, the white button is going to be down and this color is going to be harsh or gray. To activate it, turn it on and it's going to come brighter. Now you can come over here and edit one of your photo and it's going to affect all the rest. For example, I could come over here and increase contrast and come over here and increase saturation, and this is just a test. Now if I come over to this other picture over here, you can see that contrast and saturation has been pumped up on these other three photos over here. So if I select this, you will see the same effect applied to these other photos over here. And that's it guys on how to batch edit in Lightroom Classic.